Good morning, my dear students. This is MM and MT subjects, chapter Infinite Series, lecture 15, alternate series continuation. Alternate series continuation. So, problem 6. Examine the character of the examine the character of the series examine the character of the series sigma n is equal to infinity minus 1 whole power n minus 1 x to the power of n by n into n minus 1 0 less than x less than 1. Solution. This is an alternating series. Numerical values of the series terms are n is equal to we get x square by 2 without negative sign, right? X cube by 6, x power of 4 by 12, so on. Here given 0 less than x less than 1. For example, x is equal to 1 by 2. X square by 2 becomes 1 by 8. X cube by 6 becomes 1 by 48. X power of 4 by 12 becomes x is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 192. So 48 greater than 8, 1 by 48 less than 1 by 8. 192 greater than 48, 1 by 192 less than 1 by 48. What is this meaning? Every term x cube by 6 less than x square by 2, x power of 4 by 12 less than x cube by 6. Here 0 less than x less than 1 is given. For example, x is equal to, take 1 by 2. Observe the values. Observe the relation. We get x cube by 6 less than x square by 2. X power of 4 by 12 less than x cube by 6. Like this. So every term is numerically less than or equal to its, this is margin, less than or equal to its preceding term. Every term is numerically less than or equal to its preceding term. Limit n tends to infinity un is given like this. Whenever 0 less than x less than 1, for example, x is equal to 1 by 2, substituting here, we get automatically something by infinity. X by 1 by 2 పెడితే ఏమవుతుంది? 1 by 2 power n కిందకు వస్తుంది. అంటే కింద అంతా ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఉంటుంది, పైన ఏమో -1 whole power n -1 ఉంటుంది. సంథింగ్ బై ఇన్ఫినిటీ 0 అవుతుంది. సో by Leibniz test, the given series converges. Problem 7. Discuss the convergence of the series 1 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 13 plus so on infinity. So this is plus or minus. This is an alternating series. Numerical values of the terms are 1, 1 by 5, 1 by 9, 1 by 13, so on, 1, 1 by 5, 0.2, 1 by 9, point, so 1 by 5 means 0.2, 1 by 9, 0.111. Using calculator, we get these values decreasing, తగ్గుతూ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాయి. So every term is numerically less than or equal to its preceding term. Every term is numerically less than or equal to its preceding term. Un is equal to nth term minus 1 whole power n by 4n plus 1. How to get 4n plus 1? 5, 9, 13 are in AP. A is equal to 5. Difference D is equal to 9 minus 5, 4. Nth term formula A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting, we get 4n plus 1. Here neglecting first term. Limit n tends to infinity un equal to limit n tends to infinity minus 1 whole power n by 4n plus 1, nothing but 0 by Leibniz test. The given series converges. The given series converges. Test the convergence of the series sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n by 1 n factorial. Solution is nth term un equal to minus 1 whole power n factorial. So the plus or minus, we get this is an alternating series. Numerical values of the terms are n is equal to 0 factor 1, n is equal to 1, minus 1, so 1, right, numerically. Next 1 by 2 factorial 2, 1 by 3 factorial 6, 1 by 24, like this. So 1, 1. So using calculator we get these things. So every term is numerically less than or equal to, దీంట్లో n బదులు 0, 1, 2, 3 పెట్టుకుంటూ వచ్చాను. ఈ టర్మ్స్ వచ్చాయి. న్యూమరికల్గా అంటే నెగిటివ్ తీసుకోకూడదు, అన్ని పాజిటివ్ తీసుకోవాలి. వాల్యూస్ క్యాలిక్యులేటర్లో కట్టాను, తగ్గిపోతే వెళ్ళి ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ టు అయింది. సో లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇట్స్ ప్రెసీడింగ్ టర్మ్. లిమిట్ n tends to infinity un is equal to limit n tends to infinity, what is un? Minus 1 whole power n by n factorial. So something by infinity 0 by Leibniz test. The given series converges. By Leibniz test, the given series converges. Problem 9. Test the convergence of the series. Sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n minus 1 into n by n square plus 1. So solution, this is an alternating series. Numerical values of the terms are, so put n is equal to 1 here, 1 by 2, n is equal to 2 by 5, n is equal to 3 by 10, n is equal to 4 by 17, so on. నెగిటివ్ వచ్చినా మనం న్యూమరికల్గా తీసుకోవాలి, అంటే పాజిటివ్గానే తీసుకోవాలి వాల్యూస్ అన్నీ. సో 1/2, 2/5, 3/10, 4/17, 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, 0.23. So decreases. So every term is numerically less than or equal to its preceding term. Limit n tends to infinity, un is equal to limit n tends to infinity. What is un? -1 whole power n minus 1 by n square plus 1. n square plus 1. So you limit n tends to infinity, -1 whole power n minus 1, n by you common n square, 1 by n square, n cancel. Of course this is the 1 by infinity 0, 1 plus 0 1, but here we get infinity, so we get 0. By Leibniz test, the given series converges. Problem 10. Examine the convergence of the series. 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus so on infinity. Here x less than 1/2. Solution. So plus or minus. This is an alternating series. Numerical values of the series terms are 1, 2x, 3x square, don't write negative, 4x cube, so on. For example, you take x less than 1/2. So for example, you take x is equal to 1/2, 1, 2 into 1/2, 3 into 1/4, 4 into 1/8. So 1, 0.75, 0.5. So decreases series. Decreases. You write this one in margin only. Don't write in this here. Don't write here. X less than 1/2. For example, you take x is equal to 1/2. We get these things. Or x is equal to 1/4. We get some values. Decreases series. That means when x less than 1/2, 2x less than 1, 3x square less than 2x, 4x cube less than 3x square. So every term is numerically less than or equal to its preceding term. What is un? -1 whole power n minus 1, n into x to the power of n minus 1, n into x to the power of n minus 1. Limit n tends to infinity, un is equal to limit n tends to infinity, -1 whole power n minus 1, n into x power of -1. This is 0 because x less than 1/2. Something by infinity we get 0. So this is 0. By Leibniz test, by Leibniz test given series converges. By Leibniz test given series converges. Problem 11. Test the convergence of the series sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity cos n pi by n square plus 1. So un is equal to cos n pi by n square plus 1. Sigma un is equal to n is equal to 1 cos pi minus 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2. N is equal to 2 cos 2 pi plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 17. 1 square plus 1 2, 2 square plus 1 5, 3 square plus 1 10, 4 square plus 1 17, minus so on. So this is an alternating series. This is an alternating series. Numerical values of the series terms are 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 17, so on. 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, 1 by 17. 1 by 17 is 0.0588. Whatever it may be, decreasing, తగ్గుతూ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. Decreasing series decreases. లేదంటే every term numerical less than or equal to its preceding term. Every term is numerically less than or equal to its preceding term. Okay, limit n tends to infinity. Un is equal to limit n tends to infinity cos n pi by n square plus 1 is equal to finite value by infinity 0. By Leibniz test, the given series converges. Problem 12. Examine the series for convergence. X by 1 plus x minus x square by 1 plus x square plus x cube by 1 plus x cube minus x power of 4 by 1 plus x power of 4 plus so on infinity. Here 0 less than x less than 1, that is given. Here 0 less than x less than 1. Solution. This is an alternating series. Numerical values of series terms are x by 1 plus x, comma, don't write negative, x square by 1 plus x square, comma, x cube by 1 plus x cube, comma, x power of 4 by 1 plus x power of 4, comma, so on. You take 0 less than x less than 1. For example, you take 1 by 2. What happened? 1 by 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by 3 by 2. 1 by 3. We get 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Don't write here. You write in margin. 1 by 3. 1 by 5, 1 by 9, so on. So 1 by 3, 0.3, 0.2, 0.12. So decreases. Write in margin only. So you write x square by 1 plus x square less than x by 1 plus x cube by 1 plus x cube less than x square by 1 plus x square, x power of 4 by 1 plus x power of 4 less than x cube by 1 plus x cube. So every term is numerically less than or equal to its preceding term. Every term is numerically less than or equal to its preceding term. Un is equal to minus 1 whole power n minus 1 by n minus 1 whole power n minus 1 into x power of n by 1 plus x power of n. For example, x is equal to 1 by 2, we get 1 by 2 power n, 1 by 2 power n like this. So n tends to infinity, 2 power infinity, 2 power infinity, 1 by infinity 0. This is 2 power infinity, something by infinity 0. So this is nothing but 0. 0 less than x less than 1. That is the reason. By Leibniz test, the given series converges. Problem 13. This is test for convergence of the series 1 by 2 minus 1 by log 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by log 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by log 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by log 5 plus so on infinity. This is an alternating series, plus or minus, plus or minus. Numerical values of the terms are without a negative sign. You write terms. Simplify it using calculator. We get here increases it, not decreases, increases series. Therefore, every term is numerically not less than or equal to its preceding term. Every term is numerically not less than or equal to its preceding term. We cannot apply Leibniz test. We cannot say about the series. Another way, log 3 greater than log 2, log 4 greater than log 3, log 5 greater than log 4, 1 by log 3 less than 1 by log 2, reversing, 1 by log 4 less than 1 by log 3, 1 by log 5 less than 1 by log 4, 1 by 2 minus 1 by log 3 greater than 1 by 2 minus 1 by log 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by log 4 less than becomes greater than 1 by 2 minus 1 by log 3, 1 by 2 minus 1 by log 5 greater than 1 by 2 minus 1 by log 4. So we cannot get every term is not numerical. Clearly every term is not numerically less than or equal to its preceding term. Every term is numerically not less than or equal to its preceding term. ఇలా కూడా చూసుకోవచ్చు. అనదర్ వే అన్నా నేను. లేదంటే ఇది వాల్యూస్ కట్టి చూసుకోవచ్చు. వాల్యూస్ కట్టేని చూసుకోవచ్చు. లేదంటే ఇలాగా లాగరిథమ్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓరియంటేషన్ కూడా మీరు చూసుకోవచ్చు. Series of positive and negative terms. The series of positive terms and the arbitrary series are special types of these series with arbitrary signs. అంటే అన్ని పాజిటివ్ సైన్స్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి పాజిటివ్ టర్మ్ సిరీస్ అంటాం. ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి ఆల్టర్నేట్ సిరీస్ అంటాం. పాజిటివ్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ రెండు కలిపి ఉన్నదాన్ని ఆర్బిట్రరీ సైన్స్ అంటాం. అంటే దీంట్లో ప్లస్ తర్వాత మైనస్ మైనస్ తర్వాత ప్లస్ రావాలని రూల్ ఏమి ఉండదు. అన్ని ప్లస్ రావాలని రూల్ ఉండదు. చూడండి కొన్ని ప్లస్లు కొన్ని మైనస్లు కొన్ని ప్లస్లు కొన్ని మైనస్లు వస్తాయి. 1 + 1/2 - 1/3 - 1/4 + 1/5 - 1/6 - 1/7 + 1/8 + 1/9 + 1/10 - 1/11 + so on. ఆర్బిట్రరీ సైన్స్ కొన్ని ప్లస్లు కొన్ని మైనస్లు. అందులో ఇక్కడ హెడ్డింగ్ పెట్టాం సిరీస్ ఆఫ్ పాజిటివ్ అండ్ నెగిటివ్ టర్మ్స్ అని. ఇలాంటివి ఉన్నప్పుడు అబ్సల్యూట్లీ కన్వర్జెంట్ కండిషనల్లీ కన్వర్జెంట్ అనే రెండు కాన్సెప్ట్స్ మనం టెస్ట్ చేస్తాం. వాటికి టెస్ట్ ద కన్వర్జెన్స్ ఆఫ్ సిరీస్ ఆర్బిట్రరీ టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇలాగా అబ్సల్యూట్లీ కన్వర్జెంట్ కండిషనల్లీ కన్వర్జెంట్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తాం. అబ్సల్యూట్లీ కన్వర్జెంట్ అంటే ఇఫ్ ద సిరీస్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిట్రరీ టర్మ్స్ u1 + u2 + u3 + so on un be such that ద సిరీస్ వాటికి మాడ్యులస్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఈజ్ కన్వర్జెంట్ అయితే దెన్ ద గివెన్ సిరీస్ సిగ్మా un is said to be absolutely convergent. Conditionally convergent if the series of arbitrary terms u1 + u2 + u3 + so on un plus infinity be such that sigma mod un is divergent అయ్యి సిగ్మా un కన్వర్జెంట్ అయితే గివెన్ సిరీస్ సిగ్మా un is said to be కండిషనల్లీ కన్వర్జెంట్. అంటే ఇచ్చిన వాటిలో ప్లస్లు మైనస్లు ఎలా పడితే అలా ఉంటాయి. అప్పుడు మాడ్ తీసుకుని మనం సిగ్మా మాడ్ un కన్వర్జెంట్ అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి అబ్సల్యూట్లీ కన్వర్జెంట్ అని చెప్పేస్తాం. సిగ్మా మాడ్ un డైవర్జెంట్ అయితే సిగ్మా un కనుక్కోవాలి. అది కన్వర్జెంట్ అయింది అనుకోండి అప్పుడు కండిషనల్లీ కన్వర్జెంట్ అయిందని చెప్తాం గివెన్ సిరీస్. సో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ నోట్, సిగ్మా un is given arbitrary or alternate series. Find sigma mod un. Suppose sigma mod un is convergent, given series sigma un is absolutely convergent. Find sigma mod un. Suppose sigma mod un is divergent. Find sigma un that is convergent implies sigma un is conditionally convergent. We use p-test, comparison test, ratio test in case of sigma mod un. సిగ్మా mod un గురించి తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఈ 3 టెస్టులు యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సిగ్మా un ఏంటో తెలుసుకోవడానికి లైబ్నిట్జ్ టెస్ట్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం.